Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn analog programming in Siemens PLC using TIA Portal. If you are confused about how analog signals works in PLC, how to route sensor values like temperature, pressure or level, and how to convert raw values into real world units, this video is for you. In PLCs there are two types of signals. First one is the digital only on and off 0 or 1, and second one is the analog, a continuous range of values like 0 to 10 or 4 to 20 milliampere. For hands-on learning of analog scaling, let me walk through a portal screen. For the better understanding of analog scaling, first of all, we just need to know about normalize block and scale block. So let's discuss the normalized block. When we read analog signal like from a temperature sensor, we don't get direct temperature. We get a raw value. For example, it can be 0 to 27648. Now we want to convert this raw value to a percentage like from 0.0 to 1.0. This is where normalized block can help us. So let's try to understand how a normalized block can help us. On the input side, it have three pins. First one is min, it means minimum, and next one is value, and last one is the maximum. In the minimum, we will set the minimum value. In our case, it is 0. In the value, we will set the analog input raw value data register. In my case, its number is IW64. At the maximum point, we will set the maximum raw value that can be 27648. On the output side, again we will set a data register that is MD24. Here we will get normalized value in the format of percentage. In the scaling, the next data block is scaling block. That is called scalex. When we use the normalized block, we got a value in the format of percentage. But in scaling block, we want to know the actual value like 0 to 100 degrees Celsius. Suppose that we are using a temperature sensor and we need a 0 to 100 degrees Celsius value. For that purpose, we will use the scale block. Here on the input side, there is a three pins. First one is minimum. Here we will set the minimum actual value, and the second is the value pin. Here we will set the percentage value that comes from the normalized block. As you can see in the normalized block, MD24 data register is used, and same data register we will put here because the output of normalized block is the input of scale block. On the third pin, this is the maximum pin, and here we will set the maximum real world value that is 100 degrees Celsius because we are going to scale the temperature sensor. And the last pin is the output pin. Here we can set a data register as per our choice. That can be seen. We have set here MD26, and this data register will provide us the final result in engineering units. In my case, I am using signal generator for 0 to 10 volt input. As I increase the value step by step, you can see in the scale block temperature is increasing as voltage are increased at input side. Scaled block is providing us scaled value, and it is starting from 0 degree Celsius and at 100 degree Celsius because we have fixed minimum value 0 and maximum is the 100. MD26 has reached at 93 degree Celsius and it's increasing step by step. As you can see in the video, we have provided the 10 volts and its output is the 100 degree Celsius. So this is the scaling method in Siemens PLC. If you have any question, you can ask to me in comment box. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.